So Tesla's parabolic moves had the whole stock market take some wild swings. And while the party was still going on, Elon Musk decided that he wanted to join the party as well, which kind of ended the party for us. I'm not here to tell you about Elon's Twitter poll, that's already said and done. I'm here to tell you how this whole thing has made me play the biggest bet yet of my investing life in Tesla. As a background, I'll take you back to May 1st, 2020, when we all were having a Tesla party. And then all of a sudden, Elon Musk decided to join the party with this tweet. And then again ended the party for us. I'm seeing a pattern here. So let me share my screen and show you a few things on Tesla and also how I played my biggest bet on Tesla this week. Okay, so let me start with that tweet that I mentioned before as well, that on May 1st, 2020, Elon Musk tweeted the Tesla price is too high. And then all of a sudden, the price or the Tesla price dropped and lost almost 15% in the next few days. This is when Elon tweeted, of course, after the market close, and this is when market opened on May 1st, and the price came all the way from 171, the open of the previous day, to almost 140 close on the next day. And it took Tesla almost 5 to 6 days to recover and come back close to the previous level of about 160. Then fast forward 3 months later, Tesla announced stock split. So on August 11th, the split was announced, and then the stock price was exactly double to when Elon Musk tweeted about the prices being too high. So on August 11th, the price or the close price was 274.88, and then the next day when Elon tweeted too high is about 140.26. The price was almost double. So if history tells us something, we can see that Elon might consider a stock split in the near future. And someone actually asked the question that he responded to, not yet. And if we can learn from the past, it would be this, or the stock price need to be 2x from where it is right now, around $1,000 to maybe around $2,000, before we can see Tesla announcing a stock split. The stock has already lost 20% from all-time high, and it seems logical for Tesla to find new support here at about $900 to $1,000. And then few other catalysts, like for example, Elon is done selling all his Tesla share, will push Tesla stock to newer higher highs. Now, of course, anything over 1,000 makes it a candidate for a stock split in my opinion. Again, it could be 1,200, 1,500, or close to 2,000, nobody knows. Now, we know that a lot has happened with Tesla in the past week. But let me share a few things that has happened behind the scenes. So take a look here. Tesla's volatility graph has actually gone up near 100. Now, if you compare with the rest of the year, it is still not that much. So this is this week. So as you can see on the 9th and 10th, the volatility just skyrocketed from where it was just on October 8th. Just in 1 month, you can see the shot up right like crazy. Then from here, if you look at the same chart in a yearly chart, this is where we are right now. But take a look here. This was when the stock split was announced. This was when on January rush that we had, or when Tesla made like $900, this is how high it was. If you compare to that, we are still at the bottom. We are still not there where we have been with Tesla in the past. So it's much better now than what it was a few weeks ago. And now especially Musk has announced that he has sold some of his Tesla share. I'm sure he's going to be selling the rest in the next few days. But from what I'm seeing right now, the volatility is actually not bad where it is right now for option trading, of course, but it's still very less from the previous time as we have seen. So now take a look here. So this is the volume right here, and this is the price, and this is the date. And as you can see, Tesla has been around 19, 14, 11, 19 million range in stocks traded every day. And then on the 9th and 10th, we see these high volume, and that's where Elon Musk sold some Tesla share. So there was a lot of price movement that happened. And then you can see that stock was all the way high to around 1,200, and it has came down, and it's actually closed 2023, the lowest of the season of, I would say, since November. And then it came back up to about 1,074. I'm not sure exactly where it will close today. And when I'm looking at the volume right now, the volume is not that much. Again, we don't know where it's going to end or where it's going to end. So this is where I would like to make another point at this time. So when I posted my last Tesla video, I got some comments stating that Tesla will never come back to 900 and that I'm dreaming, etc., etc. But here is a fact. Tesla is a momentum stock, and when it flies, it really does fly. And there is so many people who bought at these levels. I'm pretty sure somebody who bought it at 1180, 1200, and now they are down. And may remain down for a few months unless Tesla announces another catalyst, which could be Q4 or Musk saying that I'm all done with my Tesla stock. So the point I'm trying to make here is this. If you're a long-term investor, then you will be absolutely fine buying at these prices. Doesn't matter if it's $11.50, doesn't matter if it's $1,050. But I buy my shares differently. I take advantage of the momentum in options, which I'm going to show you in just a few seconds, and make a little bit of money there. Then I wait for the calm period to acquire as much shares as I can, and then do the same thing over and over again. So during the 4 months of calmness we had with Tesla stock, I bought about additional 200 Tesla shares for an average price of about $644. But I have been playing options every week to make some money, and when Tesla took off, I just waited on the sideline, of course taking advantage of the momentum and playing options, and then I got out of some old positions or old options and that I had opened, and then opened some new ones on the dip. So now comes the juicy part. So I played one of the biggest bets on Tesla, which is making me nervous. Yes, it's a kind of a bet that I've never played. So I sold some cash covered puts, which I do all the time, but I sold them too close to the money, especially when the stock is so volatile. So here's my chart. So right now, I think you can see clearly, yes. So right now you can see I have sold 10 November 12th, which is tomorrow, $900 Tesla put, and I got about $3.49. Not much money because I sold it when the price was high of Tesla, because I was thinking, okay, I'm playing it safe, I'm selling $900, it's fine. But no, it's not enough money. Again, not enough risk for reward, but I will be getting, if I let it expire, then I will be getting about $3,500 right here for this bet. Then I sold another $950 put, 10 of those for next Friday, and I got $30 for each put. That means if Tesla remains above $950 by next Friday, I get to keep $30,000. If not, then I will be buying Tesla at $950. Not really, because I got $30 before. So really, if I'm buying Tesla right now, I'll be buying Tesla at $920, which is, again, it's okay. It's not a bad price at all for the long term. For the short term, Tesla can come to 900, sure, absolutely. But I will be very happy owning Tesla at this price. But what is that going to do is, that's going to dry all my capital. But knowing Tesla, I will recover and come out stronger in just a few months, and if Elon announces stock split, then I might have 4,000 more shares of Tesla or 5,000 depending on what kind of split they announce. Again, it's all great, but right now, because of how the volatile the stock is, this is too close of a price. It can drop in like one day, drop like almost 14% or 12%, and it can easily get to this by next Friday. And that is why the reward or the bet was $30, and I could have gotten maybe $50 if I waited that day during the day. But again, could have, would have, should have is always something else. So again, I'm happy that I played this bet. I'm nervous, yes, because it's close to the money from where it is. Then what I did was I sold another one put for $1,000 strike price for Tesla for next Friday. And again, I got about $4,000 for it. Did you see? I got about $30,000 here, and then I sold it for $1,000 put, and I got $40, so $10 more. And then I have these 5 puts, $650 puts. I have it open since, I would say, September of this year. And I'm up almost 63% on it. I continue or plan to keep it open and let it expire worthless. And then I will be, I think I got about $66,000 for it, and I'll continue to keep that. And then this is what I bought on the dip. So I bought a January 2023 $1,500 call, and I paid about $20,000 for it. I'm right now under 15% on this because the stock price is not flying really, but I'm not at all worried about this call because I feel Tesla's stock is going to touch 1500 way before than January 2023, and I'll be able to cash in on this. And then if the stock goes down further, if we have another, let's say, one-day market crash or sell-off, I'll actually add more to this call. This is a really good call. I want to continue adding it on a major red day. I'm not adding when the Tesla goes down 5%. No, I'll add if and when Tesla, if ever happens, Tesla goes down maybe 15%. And then I will go ahead and add one more call to this, bringing my average down. So this is the plan I have. So if you see Tesla stock drop below 950 by next Friday, then you will know that I'll be getting 1,000 shares of Tesla. And if a Tesla drops below 900 tomorrow, which highly doubt it, then you know that I'll be getting another 1,000 shares. I might roll one of these puts, but I'll see how the volume is and the stock price looks. I will link my last Tesla video over here. If you have not watched it, then do check it out on my Tesla third quarter plays, as I do those all the time. If you like the video, then hit the like button and consider subscribing so we can reach out to more Tesla lovers and I can continue to cover different stocks on this channel. As always, an absolute pleasure to share all of this with you. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.